In this video, we will learn how to hyperlink on WordPress. So first, we have to go to where we want to create the hyperlink. So we'll just write down example. Let's say we want to hyperlink this. So we have to select it and then come here and select link. And now you can just put the URL here and select this. Let's save this draft. Then after that, we'll be able to preview it and see what happened. Let's preview this. So it is opening the page, the one we just worked on. And you see, this is the example. This is what we worked on. This is the hyperlink. Let's click on this one. It took us to google.com. So this is how you put hyperlink on WordPress. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe.